What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to install a chatbot on your website or your SaaS. So in first you go to muro.chat and I put you the link on the description. So you just go start now. You just connect on it. Just after you connect, you are directly here on the part of you have your website. Add another project. For today, I take 8 actions. I put here. After you just copy paste snippet to your cloud code or your, I don't know, lovable or everything. It's working on the terminal also. Install it. You wait for the installation. You push in production, and you gonna arrive here, but you just need to come back and we wait for the connection. Okay, and now I put an test Gmail, and in my inbox you can just add a filter, and 8 actions, it's here. I can respond directly, and if you don't need to change something on your code base, you can just reply to the people with a shortcut of AI. Also, everything it's sent to the email you want. It's not just an app, it's sending to your email to notify you have something to respond to people, and you can just reply with your email, and that's it. You have a working chatbot on your website or your SaaS. And if you have some idea of content you want, like create a website, create a small SaaS, everything, just tell me, and maybe I take the time to create it. So bye and see you next time.